Are you investing your hard-earned money and still you feel like nowhere you are going? Yeah. And the most investor make some of these deadly mistakes that I'm about to talk about them. So today I will show you 7 common mistakes investor must avoid. If you are investing in something, first start to avoid this mistake, and actually your wealth will start to grow. What you need to do, stick around for these 7 mistakes, because it is the one that destroy most investors more so here in Kenya and outside of the country. And in case, before we dive in, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly please click that subscribe button, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever shall producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. All right guys, let's dive in. Number 1, we have to invest without a plan. You know, jumping into just a stock market, we have crypto, real estate, or even starting a business without having likely driven goal, that will really destroy what you need to invest there. You know, the decision why you are investing, so it is for retirement. Why am I investing? Is it to buy a land? Why am I investing? Is it so that I can change my life? Why am I investing? So that I can put my family in good life. What you need to do is to have answered the question why first before you start to invest. Most of people do invest, they end up eating all our money that they have, or rather investing does not even lead them to what they really need to invest to. Mistake number 2, we follow hype, we follow rumors. You know, if your investment tip came from WhatsApp or TikTok, you have go to the TikTok, someone say, oh right, this real estate is the good business to do, okay, you can do this, you can do this, you just rush and do it because you have money, and it's just a rumors, or rather it is just something that it's hype. I can say for you for today for free that I can take it to be gambling. You're doing something out of just rumors, not you who have not started to do these things. No, always research and understand where your money is going. Let me say I want to invest in real estate. I will do research on real estate. I will know what it takes for me to do real estate. I need to invest in this business. Do research. Take 1 to 2 months. Do your personal research so that you can realize this business is good, this investment is good. I want to buy a land to do ABCD. Sit down, know that this place I want to invest my money. Do some of the research about it. Then after getting the good outcome, make your research there. Ignoring diversification, that is number 3. You know, putting all your money in one stock, one piece of land, or rather one crypto, or it's very dangerous. We have something that called diversification. Let me say I'm investing. I will not invest all my money in real estate. I will not invest all my money in crypto. I will not invest all my money in one piece of land. What normal says, spread your investments so that when one loss, the other one you can still get gain from it, right? I'm investing. Let me say I buy a vehicle is on road doing taxi. I will ensure that when that taxi brings money, I still have some of the rental somewhere that is bringing money for me. If that one fails, I can still rescue my finance from that one. Number 4, we talk about not understanding the risk. That is very risky itself. Every investment carry risk. The question is, can you afford to lose that money? If not, adjust your portfolio before it is too late. They normally say, if I want business, no, business is entering into, is selling a product, or rather buying a product at the aim of making a profit and a loss. It's not only about profit. You need to do the amount am I investing. Am I ready to lose it? I'm taking 2 million to do these things. If this 2 million doesn't even give me any profit, I have get a loss. Will I manage to lose this all money? If you manage, nice, that will be good for you. We have number 3 is trying to get rich quickly. Mostly for these young people, we normally that, slow and steady is just win. What I normally say that what I'm here today is not what I will be 10 years to come. What will I make me to change for that? What will make me to change? I will actually work for myself, and still I will do some of adjustment slowly. Wealth is not something that you will wake up one day and you find that you have millions in your bank account. You have to work with it. Today you may live in slum, but your mindset is not for that slum. You are planning that in 3-4 years there's something I'm doing, I will get out of this one. You know that the best investor thinks in years. The best investor doesn't think in 2 weeks or rather one day that I will invest this thing then get millions from it. So if it is promised double your money in 1 month, you need it to run. There's no investment that can double the amount your money in 1 month. Mostly this happen in this, is it crypto? No. Something that can, okay, online business, will do this, you will invest this your amount, after 10 months or rather after 2 months your money will be doubled. You are being called, run away. Number 6, you have to ignoring fee and taxes. No, that's more like 2% management fee on any property. It might be seen very tight, but over with the time it eats into your profit. Always calculate the real return after fee and taxes. These small taxes can really eat into your finance. At the end you realize that you don't have anything that is left in with you. We have number 7, which is the last one, emotional investing. People invest with emotion. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you to buy too high. Yeah, we have to learn to stick to our plan, not to our feeling. As we have seen that fear will make you to sell very early, but greed will make you to buy everything in too high. You have to reevaluate yourself and realize, am I doing this one? I'm investing in this one. Let me not emotional take my investing steps. Usiache venye the moment you reason, the moment you nini useme, now let me do these things today, tomorrow I will also have nothing to do. What you need to do, don't invest in fear, don't invest in greedy. Okay, investing is not about being luck. People, investing is not about be luck. It's about to be disciplined, informed, and patient. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and your future will sell, and your future self will just thank you. Hit that like button and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Share this video to your friends and be part of this small finance family for only subscribing and sharing to your friends. This is Favored Maro. I'm coming back with another video. Stay tuned.